Ka special intensive revision jaka thup ka tengnong thap vote ha Meghalaya kala pani ka jingki ni ka jingya cha prang ka bakrau ha ka ba proposal point nyo percent ki enumeration form ada bansam keleng ka jala hadu ka khat sau trik unai tung. Ka West Central Hills ka along ka district ka bala bansam bun tam ki form ka bala kanjo hadu khandai pupra point khandai pusau person ka ba ka East Joint Hills part ka along ka ba clear tam ha ka ba kampen kala sha ka digital ka bala dan hadu software point san. Chief Electoral Officer ulakar paru iki MLA ke jela Meghalaya ban ai ke jingkrshan haka ban pensung thu patba ban penbu ni ke jinge sambenta jo ki nong tha vote haka ni ke jing pen bet thamai ka an electoral roll
19,91,883 enumeration form have been distributed by the BLOs to the electors, achieving an overall 84.77% coverage in form distribution. In addition, 5,64,610 enumeration forms have been digitized, accounting for 24.03% of total electors. So, district registering the highest enumeration form percentage-wise are the Jaintia Hills 98.94%, Southwest Garo Hill 97.77%, North Garo Hill 95.12%, Southwest Khasi Hill 90.37% and East Garo Hill 88.84%. And similarly, districts recording the highest digitization of enumeration forms are East Jaintia Hill 41.55%, Southwest Khasi Hill 40.31%, Eastern West Khasi Hill 36.73%, and Southwest Garo Hill 34.01% and West Garo Hill 33.23%. As part of the Commission's effort to enhance awareness and public participation, the CO office through the district election officers and electoral registration officers and BLOs on the ground, the interaction program on the special intensive revision with the honorable already ongoing. The CO office Meghalaya has undertaken this initiative to have an interaction program with honorable members of Meghalaya Assembly in hybrid mode on the 13th July. So during this interaction, we got the opportunity to brief the objective, significance, timeline, procedure of the special intensive revision and try to answer whatever queries and feedback coming from the